And welcome back to the Trying Dutchman. This one is number 10 in the episodes of the Zanzibarn. Building, dressing, flooring, lighting, all the episodes are done. This one is the first time it's in use for the Southwest Iowa Art Tour that reaches as far as Harlan, Council Bluff, Malvern, Red Oak, and Clarinda. We were a gathering place. We had several artists displaying their art. Courtney, Journey, Tatiana, Tamara Joe, and the Trying Dutchman himself. The space was beautiful, the weather was beautiful. I was able to play a little bit more with lights, and luckily the lights came in on time. It was Friday afternoon, sneak peek, Saturday and Sunday. Space enough, like I said, weather enough, outside, inside, everything. Even the dog was lazy before the crowd came in. Some of the pictures, paintings you see are from Tatiana and Journey. The quilts are from Courtney, Tamara Joe with her hats. I'm actually not sure if they bought them, but they had fun trying them on. All the other pieces blended in nicely with the displayed art. It's definitely not the last time we do this. The Southwest Iowa Art Tour is something that people do over the winter period, and then you can either buy it or just it's on display, whatever you want to do with it. And again, like if you have more than one artist, it is a nice variety. Some of the welding stuff also inside and outside. The display in the yards were not really ready yet. Maybe that's something we can do this year, but this was the sea underwater view. I was also able to make some doors at the very last moment, those small doors that you have a better view through the barn. Set up outside for people if they wanted to drink. They had set up a sort of quiz that you could do, questions asked, and you could win something at the end. Not really sure what it was. People took their time. That was nice. It was just not walk in and walk out. We're definitely gonna do it again. It was a success, and thanks to the organizations, they did an excellent job. Of course, the barn, the Zanzibarn, also got a lot of views, and just nice to know, nice to meet people, sitting, chatting, and yeah, there was some food available. It was a very relaxing atmosphere, and some art was recognized, some art was sold even, and that's also nice. Yes, like I said, this is definitely not the last time, but this was the last one on the Zanzibarn. Hope you enjoyed it, at least we did. Thanks for watching.